How to avoid weight gain during holidays. How to not gain holiday weight so you have no need to lose weight. The holiday season is just around the corner. Many functions, celebrations, birthday parties, food, and champagne. That irresistibly succulent Christmas turkey and fabulous pudding. That mouth-watering New Year's buffet and countdown champagne are very tempting. Your soul is ready but your flesh is weak. You binge. So what price do you pay for your holiday binge? Well, stepped on the bathroom scale, and dreading the horrors. You've gained a few pounds. You pulled your hair out and gnashed your teeth wondering how you could shed the holiday weight you've gained. You also consider engaging a personal trainer to engage in a weight loss program. Wow, don't fret now. With a little thought and planning, you can avoid weight gain during the holidays. Here are some tips on how not to put on holiday weight so you don't have to put on weight post-holiday season. If you want to lose weight very fast, then a product link is given in the description. Click on and buy from there. For weight loss permanent solution, please subscribe our channel and click on bell icon. 1. Just remember that the holiday season is only a few days longer. So that the day you shout, "I'll gain weight around the holidays," or "I know I'll gain 5 pounds over the holiday season," or "I'll start a weight loss program after the holiday season is over." Why? Well, since you know you'll only eat more on certain days, you'll eat more on those days and not more. Don't let it last a week or more by taking home all the leftovers or storing more sweet pastries than you need for that special holiday. This is what people usually find in the fridge and on the kitchen shelf after a vacation that they keep binging on. Empty fridge and shelves. This will help you not gain too much weight, so you don't need to put on weight after the holiday season. 2. Turn off your TV set. Hey! Instead of staring at all those holiday specials on your Gogglebox, go ahead. Instead of watching a soccer game on TV, grab a ball and go to the nearest park for a kick around. Instead of lying on your couch to snack on a packet of chips, lie down by the pool, then do a few laps. Better still, get your family and friends involved with you. Instead, go jogging. If it's winter where you live, be innovative, think of some indoor activities or exercises you can do. While others gain weight, you can also lose weight. It's a holiday after all. Have fun. 3. Avoid alcohol to avoid weight gain. There are 7 calories in 1 gram of alcohol. In contrast, carbs and protein contain only 4 calories per gram. Calories from alcohol are just, well, calories with zero nutritional value. They will rapidly convert to fat when you don't burn them quickly. Avoid high-calorie mixed drinks such as cocktails that are loaded with sugar or beer that is high in carbohydrates, which translates to even more calories. If you consume a lot of alcohol, then you will definitely need to join a weight loss program. 4. Drink plenty of water. Juices, soft drinks, and coffee don't count. Just good only plain water. Water flushes out toxins from the body, helping the body recover from dehydration caused by alcohol consumption. Your stomach will also feel full so that you will not overeat, which will increase your weight. 5. Skip sweets to lose weight. Do you need those sweet and calorie-laden items? If you must have them, choose ones that are not so sweet, or even better, just have some fibrous fruits and nuts. Do this to keep your weight under control. If you can follow these tips during the coming holiday season, you will not gain weight, and thus may not need to lose weight or start a weight loss program after the holiday. Simple and cool, isn't it? Let's catch you in the next video. If you like our video work, please share our video with your friends. To get more weight loss solution videos, hit the like and subscribe button and leave a comment below to let me know what you see like to next.